time to plant my pineapple tops. I am going to plant both of these today. There was a comment about how I can cut the pineapple tops in half or in fourths and plant those individually and they'll still grow pineapples. I've never tried that, and I don't know if I should do it before it has roots or after. I only have this one now that has roots, so I'm going to cut this one in half and plant it in these smaller pots. We'll see how that goes. Larger pineapple top first. We're going to plant it into this large pot. I am going to use some leftover potting mix from months ago, maybe a year, I don't, but it's this one. And I'm also going to mix in some of this potting mix. It's the cactus and citrus potting mix. And then I will add the Bug Hut Soil Wizard in there because it's supposed to make any soil a better place to grow. And I feel like all these potting mixes need something extra. So these holes are really, really, really large. It would be nice if I had some rocks. Boop. Grab from my yard. Will still drain. The soil won't come out. Some of the soil is dry, so before I plant my pineapple in this pot, I am going to water soil. Ooh, ooh. So sprinkle some Soil Wizard in there. I'm going to mix it in. I need to water the soil because it's just going to sink. Look how much it shrunk. So if I had my pineapple top in there, it would have just gone down, and that's a big no-no. All right, so let's add more soil. And I'm gonna water this again. More of the Soil Wizard. You don't want any of the leaves to touch the soil. So we're only going to plant the core, or where the roots are. I have planted some pineapple tops too deep and they did rot. So I recommend you plant more than one. Just don't give up. Press this. Damn. Gosh, I'm so nervous. Oh, okay. It's not that hard. And I have a feeling that it would probably be better if I did this before the roots came out. You cut the pineapple top and you let it dry for a bit because I'm afraid this might rot. I'm gonna have it be on top just like that. Okay, so this one might need a chopstick. I don't have any chopsticks, but I do have these plastic forks. Ooh, that works. I don't know how much of the rain you can hear, but it's wild. So I've decided that the other half I am going to dry up a bit and keep out. I'm just going to place it in the, I'll use a different jar, but I'm going to keep it upright so that the roots are still in the water, but that this core is not touching the water so it dries up a bit. I don't know how well this is going to work. As beautiful as this rain is, I'm going to head inside. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I will give you updates on all of the pineapple tops. Hopefully they all survive. But I'm also thinking about doing like a garden tour. I do have a lot of fruit trees. Well, not a lot, but I do have fruit trees growing here, like mangoes, bananas, guavas, Barbados cherries, and more. So I do want to do a garden tour. Stay tuned for those videos. All right, bye-bye.